Namaste everyone, Master Chetan here. So we will continue the part 2. If you not subscribe my channel yet, so you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. If you have any query, you can go in the comment box. You comment on the query if you want my online classes. So in the description have my email ID and my WhatsApp number. So you can contact with my WhatsApp number. So if you not seen yet part 1 10 minutes, you can go in the description. There have link part 1 10 minutes. This is series for yoga for beginners, every day 10 minutes at home. So let's start our practice. So join your palms, okay, make chin mudra, okay. So we will make a chin mudra. Yes, start. Let's start. Make a chin mudra. For chin mudra, your 3 fingers straight, your first finger inside of your thumb, your nail should be down and thumb should be up. Okay, your back straight. Close your eyes. 3 times chanting Om. Take a deep inhale. Two times more. Take a deep inhale. One more time. Take a deep inhale. Inhale. Join your both palm. Come in Namaste Mudra. Rub your palm. Slowly, your both hands on your eyes. Relax your eyes. Both palm front of your face. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palm. Namaste everyone. Welcome in your class for beginner part 2. We will start. Okay. Both legs together in front. Relax your legs. This is not good, huh? That's my certificate of 22nd National Yoga Sports Championships 2018. So I put it here, put it a bit. Then I will again go up. Okay, come in butterfly pose. Make a butterfly. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, take a deep inhale. Exhale all the way down. Look in front. Okay, your head down. Okay. 1 here. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, come back. Slowly, again, relax your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Open your legs little bit wider according to your shoulder. Slowly, back straight. Both hands up. Inhale. Exhale slowly down. Catch your left leg with your fingers. Here, okay. If you are very beginner, you here, okay. Here, okay. Here, okay. It's not complicated. Don't do too much, okay. Here only. 1, 2, here, okay. 3, 4, 5. Again, inhale both hands up. Exhale slowly. Change your leg and down. It's enough. It's enough. It's enough. If you can do more, little bit, push yourself. So you can take a towel, take a strap in your home and put here and like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, come back. Again, both hands shoulder level. Take a deep inhale. Exhale slowly down. Both hands here, okay. If you have a strap, towel, you can use towel. If you have enough flexibility, you can catch your toes and go down. If you not have enough flexibility, so here, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again come back. Inhale both hands. Exhale and turn left side. Turn your body left side. Both hands back and here. Concentrate your both hips down. Your flex your feet inside and here the right arm up. Okay, here okay, here okay. If you have enough flexibility, you can touch hand with floor. If you don't have enough flexibility, so here only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again come back. Inhale. Exhale. Change the side. Look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. This exercise for our side fat, and we are doing forward bending, so counter pose like that. If we have doing back bend and forward bending, so we have to do twisting left and right side. It's counter pose. So slowly bend your left leg, both hands here, back straight. Take a deep inhale. Exhale slowly up. Concentrate on your back. Your back is straight. Your leg is okay. Here okay. Here okay. Here okay. Have enough flexibility so you can move up. We are doing here. It's for beginner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Lift your leg. Again second leg. Both hands there. Back straight. Inhale. Exhale up slowly. Here okay. Here okay. Here okay. Here okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, slowly down. Bend your both legs. Now we have options. Option 1, we catch our toe and both legs straight. Okay. If you cannot do it, take a towel, take a strap, and you have chunni at your home. Anything. Okay. Again. The strap here. You are beginner. Have enough flexibility. Catch your toe. If cannot do, take a strap and again back straight. Inhale. Exhale slowly up. Hold. 1, 2. Concentrate. Your back straight now. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Slowly down. Now relax your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we are coming in cat and cow pose. So we have cat and cow pose. How cat looks? Like that. Bend your both legs and slowly come here. Form like this. So you have to open your hands and open your legs according to shoulder. First we have to check our hands. So here we hug here like this. Look here. Both palm here and up. This is a perfect position. Okay. Now cat and cow. How the cat and cow react? Like this. Inhale up. This is like cat, cow. Exhale down. Look your belly point. Back. Okay. Inhale up. Exhale down. Continue. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last time. Early. Inhale up. And exhale. You have to suck your belly in. Exhale. And hold. Concentrate. When you suck your belly in, so you cannot respirate. You have to hold like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Again come. Relax. Now from here slowly down. Your hips down. Your hands straight. Your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now slowly stand on your knee. Stand on your knee according. Again both knee open according to your shoulder. Now both hands behind of your back like this. Behind of your back. Your toes inside. My legs is little bit dirty, so don't care about that. Okay. Slowly. Both shoulder back side. You move your shoulder like that. Again elbow close. And now inhale, chest up. Inhale. See, when you inhale, chest up like this. Inhale. And exhale your hip up. Slowly exhale. Concentrate on your neck. Your neck should be straight. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, come back. Now you have to give twisting again. We are doing back bending, so counter poses twisting. So both hands shoulder level. Again, inhale. Exhale from left side. Your both knee, your leg cannot move, and look back side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, inhale. Exhale, change your sign, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now slowly again, open a little bit. Your knee open, your feet together and down. If you have knee pain, so avoid this exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now everyone lie down with your back on the mat. Yes, like that. Slowly lie down with your back. Now from here we exercise. Both open your both arms according to your shoulder. Now both legs up on the 90 degree. We are doing a stomach exercise. Inhale. Both legs up. Exhale. Hold here. Continue breathing. 1, flex your feet in. 2, your knees straight, yeah. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, slowly down. Yes. Now both hands behind of your head. Again, take a deep inhale and exhale up. Your both hands up. If you have knee pain, if you have neck pain, so please don't up. If you don't have neck pain, so your shoulder up and here. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. One leg up. 1, 2. It's a very hard for you, so you can put your both hands behind of your back. Just for beginners, if you have enough flexibility, enough strength, so come here. We are using a core strength here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again with both legs back straight. 3, 4, 5. Hand back side okay. Hand in front okay. According to your 4, 3, 2, 1. Again come in sitting position. Now slowly straight our legs and again relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Bend your both knees, your feet together, your knee together. Again back straight. Make a both hands shoulder level. Again inhale. Exhale. Twist right left side. Again join your palms. Look back. Open your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again inhale. Exhale. Chin side. Slowly back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now from here both legs here. Now slowly little bit open your legs, both hands behind of your back, move your shoulder. Again take a deep inhale. Exhale slowly up. If your hand pain, elbow pain, shoulder pain, so don't worry. Here okay. 1, 2, next straight. 3, 4, 5. Okay, come back slowly. Hug your knee, relax your back. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, now I will see you in my next video tomorrow. So you press the bell icon for notification. So we continue in part 3. Namaste everyone. Thank you for watching for video. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Again and again I say, because I need your support. If you have any query, you can go comment box, and if you want my online classes, in description I have link my email, my WhatsApp number, so you can contact by my WhatsApp is easily. Thank you. Namaste everyone. Have a good day.